Hello tappers. Okay, so we are staying at the Anaheim Hotel, and it's located at the corner of Disney Way and South Harbor. And it's really nice. It's really easy to walk to Disneyland. It's right across the street. So I wanted to come on here because we upgraded to one of their remodeled rooms. So it has more room, it has more space, it has more, just a lot of stuff. And I wanted to show you guys this in case you were ever interested in staying at this hotel, because it's a really nice hotel to stay at. I really love it. We stay here almost all the time. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so when you come into the door, you're gonna see two mirrors with two sinks. It's like his and hers. It's really cool. It's very big. Sorry for our stuff. We got in late last night, but two sinks, two mirrors, and it's really nice. They also they have a vanity mirror. They have a trash can. They have tissue. They have some nice art on the wall. Very simple. And then when you make your way, here's the bathroom. Excuse our stuff again. Here's the toilet. And here's the walls. It's really white in here, so it's very plain again. And it does have a tub, which is awesome. So a shower and a tub. So if you have kiddos or you have anybody here who needs to take a bath. So then if you come out of that way, you're gonna make a right, and there is a double mirror. And it's actually a lot of space in here. So you have a luggage rack, and you have an ironing board, and then you have an ironing, and you have a hair dryer, and you have some storage up there, and then you could put your luggage in here. And then you come to this side.
It has its own safe.
What? And a Trevor. It comes with a Trevor in every closet. There's always a Trevor. But it's just an extra amenity. So then you come into the room, and they have this really nice chair. I mean, it's a nice little chair. And then they have a mirror, a long mirror. They also have a lamp right there. And then if you turn this way, this is two king size beds. Obviously this one's nicer than that one because we slept in that one last night. But yeah, for the most part, it's really nice. And then if you come over here, let's turn on a lamp. All right, so it does have a drawer, or a dresser, like, storage here that you can use. They do have the remote. They also have USB plugs and plugs, which is always nice. And then you come over here, and they have more storage for your clothing. They also do have a refrigerator, which is nice. It's a decent size, actually. Oop, I just dropped that out of there. And then it has a decent sized TV, actually. In some of the other ones that we've been in here at the Anaheim Hotel that we've stayed at, some of the rooms, the TV is a lot smaller. So I would say this is awesome. And then to the right of that, they do have a desk with a chair. So you can, if you needed to conduct a business or anything, or you need to bring your laptop and do some editing or whatever you need to do, you can do it here. They do have a little coffee maker with some coffee pods. They do have an ice bucket to get ice. There's a cute little lamp, and then just like some pretty flower artwork on the wall. And then over there, they do have this. Oh, probably need to open it from this way. Yeah, so it's just like a nice little opening, so you can kind of see outside. And you can open this too if you need air, if you want air, but it's just like the back of the building kind of, so not that interesting really. And so basically this is what the room looks like. In the air conditioning, I just want to point that out. This works amazing. And Trevor knows, because I need that air conditioning. It is cold. All right, well, that is going to do it for the room tour. I just wanted you guys to see it. So if you ever are coming to Disneyland and you need a place to stay, this is a good hotel to stay at. It's very convenient. They also have a pizza press restaurant, or not a restaurant, but a pickup. I guess it could be maybe a restaurant and pickup. Something. But they were nominated for the best press pizza here. I know, it's so silly. Trevor laughs at me, but
bottom line, this hotel is really close to the park.
It is,
and it's not a bad hotel.
No, and I mean, before COVID though, pre-COVID, they do have a shop downstairs that's like an amenities. So like if you like left your soap or like shampoo or conditioner, just any of your necessities, they do have that downstairs. I think right now it's not open due to COVID, but hopefully eventually it will be. But I would say this is a decent hotel. The price is...
It checks all the necessary boxes.
Yeah. And the price is decent, right?
It's decent.
Yeah. So it's not too expensive. And this is definitely big enough room for a family, like two parents and kids or however many, you know. So it's a decent sized room. So I would definitely recommend staying here if you are coming to Disneyland, because our feet do hurt at nighttime, and it's nice to be able to walk across the street and not have to walk too far to get to our hotel.
Be done with it.
Yeah. So if you like this room tour, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to tap out.